First of all, good morning you all. Myself Faizan Ahmed from class 9th A. Now we are here to introduce about force, effects and
Fifth effect of force can change the shape of the object. For example, when we compress a string, its shape will change. Now I am going to explain the types of force. Force can be classified into two groups: contact or non-contact force. Contact force: the force act on a body when when the objects are physically contact with each other. There are two types of contact force: muscular force and frictional force. Muscular force, there is a non-contact force. There are four types of non-contact force. rolling friction, the force that oppose the motion of an object rolling in each other. For example, when we put pen behind the copy and we push the copy, it's roll on bench. It's so the rolling friction. Now the another type of force, non-contact force, the force that act on a body without physical contact. For example, gravitational force, magnetic force. Gravitational force, the attractive force of between two attractive force of between moves due to the gravitation of Earth. Together in matter.
Good morning everyone. Myself Abdur Rahman from standard 9th A. I am group member for force group. First of all, thank you to Sadiq sir and director Raja sir who organized this event to improve our teamwork and skill. I am here for conclusion for our topic force. Force is the fundamental concept in our health that for understanding who other intersect with each other, understanding different types of force and effects, its circulars and appreciating world around. That's all. Thank you.